baby. Hi, baby. Where's Luke?
Luke.
Go get him. Go get Luke. He's in the kitchen.
Luke, aren't you going to watch this with us?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's Christmas.
Okay, come on, get up.
Hey, guys.
Look, doesn't it look beautiful? Miss Jen did all that for you.
Look at the stars. Where's
Come
the
on.
star, Jacob?
Get up. Get
Where's
up.
the stars? Stars.
Who's going to read the list?
Where's the star, Jacob?
Aren't you going to read the list? All right.
Where's the star? Star.
Okay, now you have to read who they're to and who they're from.